The step-by-step process that people who join our program go through with Beworks is we start out with step one. So that's, of course, the onboarding. We do a deep dive where we have a workshop to understand the why. So why are you launching the venture? Where are you in the process at the moment? And also what are your goals? Then step two is we take about a week and streamline the process to also understand what do you already have? What have you already done? What's still open and what steps do we need to go through with you until product market fit, which is the first main goal that we are trying to achieve, right? So then the next step is that to get you to product market fit, if you're at the very beginning, we'll review your solution. So the benefit that you're trying to bring to your customers or to users and try to understand what value you're bringing to them. So this is the main core. And then only then we move through the different steps of market validation until we find problem solution fit. The step after that is that once we have the problem solution fit, we think about the business model and also factors like utility, the pricing, the cost, and also what adoption hurdles may we have on the way to getting out. The goal here is to get the first business model to start out with, and then in the future, of course, you keep on iterating it. Once that's done, now we need to understand how to communicate the value of what we do. So we need to get to the so-called message market fit. And I've talked about this in a separate video. After that, we now are able to say, okay, we can communicate what the value of a problem is because we have message market fit. And the next step now is we know we can start developing the product. So the next step is we start developing the product based on everything we've learned before. So the problem solution fit and the business model. In parallel, we need to prepare go-to-market activities. So all the marketing measures on how to reach the clients, how to allow them to become fans of what we do and also allow them to spread the word, to have the maximum, let's say, marketing impact with least possible resources. And in parallel to this, so in parallel to building the product, in parallel to going to market, of course, we need to make sure we build up a minimum viable organization to make sure that the gears are turning. So do we have customer service in place? Do we have operations in place? And do we have things like billing in place to make sure that after the purchase, the company is running as such? And those will be all the steps we need to go through to build up the momentum and to get to product market fit, to prove that our product and our business model is working in the market that we're aiming for. And after that, after we can prove this, then we proceed to the scaling phase, which is more focused on how can we efficiently build up the business, scale it, hire additional people, and improve the metrics of the business like profit margins, efficiency, and also how can we scale the value of what we're doing for our clients and also for us as a business. And those are the basic steps that you want to go through when you start with Beworks and you join our program. If you're interested in the program or have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or any questions you may have.